All right, so welcome to our New Leaf Exams YouTube channel. So today I wanted to make a video about obtaining a life insurance license with a felony conviction. We do get that question quite a bit from our website. People email us, they send us messages. So I just wanted to kind of talk about that a little bit today. There's certainly no kind of black or white answer. There's always some gray area because the decision about getting a life insurance license or a health insurance license is kind of left up to the state. So every state, the rules are a little bit different, but we kind of combined some of the similarities in this video just to kind of give you an idea of what you're going up against, kind of questions that you probably should ask your state. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it and just kind of look at some of the things that you're up against. All right. So typically, what we see in every state is, again, there's state specific rules. Licensing requirements can vary by state, definitely. So always check with your state. If the information on their website isn't clear, even if it is clear, go ahead and call them. Say, hey, here's my situation, and they're going to ask you some questions. Just kind of run your situation by them and see, kind of what the answer that they give you. Because a lot of people think, I felony conviction, so therefore I'm permanently barred. Well, that's not necessarily the case. So again, just them all. Um, so there are times in certain states, not all states, that there is a permanent bar. Certain felonies that typically involve money, like money laundering, embezzlement, um, bank robberies is probably one of them. Those are the ones that are probably more concerning for each state's licensing department, which is typically run by the state's Department of Insurance. So again, check with them, even if you have a felony that's related to any kind of financial or money, just give them a call. It doesn't hurt just checking with them, see what's going on as far as their rules. Now, there are disqualifying periods for other felonies. And it just depends on which felony. So a disqualifying period typically means that the the state wants to see that, hey, after your conviction, we want to make sure that you don't have any other crimes that you've been convicted of afterwards. So you have to have a clean record after your conviction. It could be up to 15 years, some are 7, some are less. Again, check with your state. There's no black or white answers, no yes or no answer on these. So this one here, rehabilitation and proof, and that kind of goes back to the last slide that we just looked at. They want to make sure that you have been rehabilitated, that you're not committing other crimes, and if you have proof of any kind of rehab session that you went through to help, that's going to help your cause as well. All right, so if you have any documentation where, hey, I went to this counseling, or I've done this, or I've done that. If you have any proof of that, definitely you want to provide that to them. All right. Now, if you happen to have received a pardon or a restoration of your rights, that's going to go a long way in getting over some of those hurdles. All right. So, like I said, if you have proof of that, you definitely want to provide that to them as well. So just to kind of sum everything up here, if you have any felony convictions and you're considering applying for a life insurance license, you can consult with a legal professional in your state, but definitely I would always go straight to the licensing authority, which is typically the Department of Insurance in your state. All right. If you have any other questions, we'll try to help you out as much as we can. Just go to our website, which is newleafexams.com. You can send us an email. We have a contact form that you can fill out and send to us, and we'll try to point you in the right direction. We may not be able to give you direct answers, but we'll definitely point you in the right direction. So, also, if you are looking for any study guides, an online study course to pass your life or health license exam, you know where to come. All right, have a great day, guys.